Thank you. Who's talking? You or me?
I'll have a go first. Right, okay. Well, they're paying me money, so I better do something. That is Highway Star, which incidentally is on an album called Machine Head. And they'll be doing a single which was taken from the LP, am I right? Yes, later on in the show. Meanwhile, I was thinking, when you're sitting up here, it's very hard to hear exactly what's going on, so I thought I'd write a heavy link in between. And I came up with something like this, that the band are a rare commodity in that they come up with incredible LPs. For instance, Deep Purple and Rock was in the LP charts for months and months on end, wasn't it? And on the other hand, they can do incredible pop singles which get in and no way put the group into another bag. So if T-Rex can do it, this lot can do it. So let's hear something which was a 45 from the lads. This was released...
Let me tell you about this one.
Right, yeah.
First of all, this was a single, but this was actually a true story, and we thought very profound it was. And it was about a friend of ours who got mixed up with an... That's right. He got mixed up with a very evil woman, and it was a sad story. They got married in the end, and a few days after they got married, the lady died. And this was the song about that, and it's Strange Kind of Woman. Get on.
There once was a woman, a strange kind of woman, the kind that gets written down in history. Her name was Nancy, her face was nothing fancy. She left a trail of happiness and misery. Everybody loved her. She loved everyone and gave them good return. I tried to take her, I even tried to break her. She said I ain't gonna take you, won't you ever learn? I want you, I need you, I gotta be near you. I spent my money as I took my turn. I want you, I need you, I gotta be near you. Ooh, got a strange kind of woman. She looked like a raven, but I could never please her. Wednesday morning, boy, you can't go far. I couldn't get her, the things got better, she said. Saturday night from now, well, baby, you're my star. I want you, I need you, I gotta be near you. I spent my money as I took my turn. I want you, I need you, I gotta be near you. Ooh, got a strange kind of woman. She finally said she loved me. I wed her in a hurry. No more colors and I clothed with pride. Hey, dreaming, I feel like screaming. I want my woman just before she died. I want you, I need you, I gotta be near you. I spent my money as I took my turn. I want you, I need you, I gotta be near you. Oh, yeah, that strange kind of woman. She was so gonna slide on you, brothers.
There's a little story which goes with the next one. It's called Smoke in the Water, and if you read your sort of trade papers very intently, you remember a sort of little news item about a casino in Montreux burning down with all of Frank Zappa's gear with it. He was just due to do a concert over this side of the pond, and he had to rehire. Apparently Deep Purple tell me they were round about the scene at that time. Whether they lost any gear or not, Gillan's hair's a bit shorter, but Ian, would you like to add to this frenetic tale of pyromaniacery?
Nothing to add.
Right. So here you go. Deep Purple, Smoke on the Water.
say